Hi, my name is Mohammad Afzal and I'm from India, from New Delhi. And last 16 years I have been in UAE and my basically the profession background from the banking. And as per the banking, as a sales manager I'm working. So it's a good experience, but I decided to move for my career into the different fields. So I just find out and search out in the Googles and all these things and got some references for about the 𝐂𝐡𝐨 Academy, which is 𝐂𝐡𝐨 Academy is doing the technical courses for the guys. Those want to make their career for in the future. Second thing, basically, when I came to the 𝐂𝐡𝐨, I feel very good, and the 𝐂𝐡𝐨 teachers and the faculty members are very supported and very aggressive too about the practical you can get it. Why I choose the 𝐂𝐡𝐨 Academy for, basically I'm doing a higher international diploma in automobile engineering, which is very helpful and very good for my career. And in the future, basically I have a planning to go to Canada or Australia, where I have a planning to establish one good automobile workshops, or somehow like a very good build up my career. So basically I will suggest to the guys, those want to go ahead for any technical courses, so definitely they have to choose the 𝐂𝐡𝐨. 𝐂𝐡𝐨 is the best basically, and the teachers are very talented and very organized, and they are giving you very nice practical, and step by step they are giving you good knowledge about that. So it is better to be choose the 𝐂𝐡𝐨, and I believe that you can fulfill your dreams with the 𝐂𝐡𝐨. I'm really appreciate. Thank you so much for thank you so much again for the 𝐂𝐡𝐨 Academy, which I'm going to take my degree now. So best of luck for all the guys. Thank you so much.